Put the frog down.
No, he's my friend.
No, he's gonna die.
He's not.
Yes, he is.
So slimy now. Whoa, he went through my face, I didn't even know it. Okay, you tell me to drop it.
Because I wanted to show the camera.
Would you tell me to drop it?
Alright, whatever. Don't go down there. Come back up. I don't want to go in the backyard. Come here. We can't. Because it's in a garden.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Where's the frog?
I put it down.
Kill it.
No. You're nice. You want to step on it. Oh, Sierra, what are you doing? Look, she's in the window.
Stop dog.
Hi, Sierra. Sierra.
Hey, there's a hole.
Yeah, my dog does.
I win.
Hi, Sierra.
Oh, crap.
Hi. Hi.
This is worthy of YouTube.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was being
All right,
sarcastic.
back. So, do you want me to post it?
I really don't care.
Amelia, come here. Now, why are you wearing a hat?
Hats are comfortable.
Yeah, but it's like 75 degrees out. Sierra, come here. Come here. The camera would like to see you. And
I
Stouty.
love how they all come to me.
Because you're new here. Sierra, come. Sit. Hi, Scout. Scout, sit. 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 Don't touch it. Oh my God. Don't go back there. Amelia, come back.
Got jumped on.
Oh, Scouty. Scouty. Flower.
Stop taking videos of flowers.
Flower.
Hey, Frank, I win. I found Frank.
You don't win. You don't. I have 2 dogs, I win. Who's that?
Ducks.
I have 7 chickens.
I have ducks.
Scout, what's that? Right here. What's it? Oh, yeah. You dummy, it's trying to fly. No, 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 no.
No.
No, don't.
Getting it out of the hole.
Sit.
Huh? iPod back.
Sit.
Down. Pathetic. Alright, we're